It's been a while since I've done a video, and I'm so happy to be back. Life is actually back on track, and I am thankful that I have come through some of the difficulties I faced in the last few weeks. God is always so good. In this first segment, I took advantage of this wonderful coupon from Sprouts to purchase some produce that I'll be using later in the video. In my trip to the grocery store, I decided to stock up on some peppers, which I'm currently cutting up and will then freeze. And I also got some other vegetables that I'll be using this week as well. And before I place these in freezer bags, I'm saving some yellow and red peppers to add to my vegetable hash I'll be making as well. Now, since the peppers are organic, I always try to save the seeds. And so before I start cooking my breakfast, I'm going to take you through the process of how I save these seeds. I am now placing the seeds on paper towels and I'll just let them dry overnight and I'll be packaging them later in this vlog. Next, last summer, I was very successful growing some Thai chilies, which have been drying or have been dried for since last September. And now what I'm going to do is crush them so that I have a fresh pepper for pizza, pasta, salads, and so forth. I usually do this outside, but since it's a little drizzly today, I am, as you say, doing it inside, but I'm wearing a mask because these are quite potent. And again, I'm saving a bit for breakfast, my breakfast meal. bit of avocado oil, and sweating quite nicely. Frozen kale and peas, high protein and amino acids plant-based eggs, turmeric and then ginger, black pepper, crushed Thai chilies, Now, I'm not completely vegan, but I do try to eat plant-based, I would say about 3 times a week. Of course, that depends on what I'm craving for the week. The seeds dried perfectly overnight, and now I'm packaging them in separate, red bell pepper seeds in one and yellow in the next. But for Christmas gifts, what I'll do is take out about 25 each and then package those separately to place in the Christmas hampers. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.